how to enable high performance mode in Android devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable high performance mode for Android devices. So in order to enable high performance mode, simply go to the settings of your device, and then under settings you need to find battery. Now once you will find battery, you can simply click onto this battery option, and under battery you will see this particular interface like this. Now in this interface you can see battery mode, so simply click onto this battery mode option, and from here simply choose high performance mode, and it will give you a prompt that says turn on high performance mode. Your device will perform at its best. This may increase power usage and cause your device to heat up. So if you want it to turn on, you can simply click onto this turn on button, and now you can see that your device is in high performance mode. So that was some of the tips on how you can increase the using experience of your mobile. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.